Palindromes are fascinating linguistic constructs that read the same forwards and backwards, like the word race car. They create a loop of understanding as one ponders why this symmetry exists in language. Take the phrase, a man, a plan, a canal, Panama. It's not merely a clever phrase. It invites questions about the nature of language itself. When we see such patterns, we naturally ask, what other words mirror themselves? This curiosity leads us to explore longer and more complex palindromic structures, further deepening our understanding of language's playful nature. Each discovery feeds back into our admiration for words, creating an endless cycle of fascination.